In this video, I'm going to be showing you where to find sand rollers in LEGO Fortnite. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to find the dry valley biome. That is where it is brown right here. Now, once you find the dry valley biome, what you're going to need to do is you are going to need to actually have some heat protection. Now, as you can see, my character is not doing so hot, but we are going to need to have that heat protection if you want to actually survive getting these sand rollers. Now, before we start on that, I'm just going to make sure that I am all healed up, just so that I can actually go in here. So just like that, I'm going to start healing a little bit. Now, once I'm actually in the sand biome, I'm going to find these things that look like rocks with like flowers on them, as you can see in where my cursor is. You're gonna go up to them and they're gonna start rolling to you. You're going to make sure that you don't get hit like I just did. So I'm just going to respawn and quickly go over to it since I got hit. It does get a little bit hard to be able to kill them in one shot because you do have to dodge them. So I'm just going to real quick get that. Alright, and I'm going to go over back to where I need to get back to. Hopefully the sand roller is still there, but that is where you find them, is in the dry valley biomes, the desert biomes as others would call it. And I actually can't see where it went, but once you find it, you will be able to dodge it and actually get the things that it drops. And just make sure you don't get hit by it when it rolls. You can hit it when it's not rolling. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.